In this video, we're going to be doing our roof. So to start with, I need to go up and say roof. I'm going to be doing edit type, duplicate, and under duplicate, I'm going to give it the name, if I can find it, like this, because this is a applied finish. Okay, 128, like that. And not default roof, but by category, like so. Okay, okay, like that. Then I'm gonna say I want an overhang of let's take, I'm gonna measure the distance from there to there. Let's take an overhang of approximately 600. So a line like that, overhang 600, and start from one end down to that end and work my way back like so. The next thing I want to do is I want to take the two gables like this, and I want to remove the marking here that defines the roof slope like so, and that means I only have slopes in these two sides. If I say finish edit mode, I would notice if I see it in 3D that it's placed in the level too low. So if I choose it, instead of first floor, it's going to be using the roof. And this is actually the first time that we have used the elevation roof, like so. I'm going to drag these up a bit, like so. But if I go back to the 3D view and I take my section box and say I want it to expand a little, I actually now have my building, and I'm ready to continue with the roof down here and the roof over here. So I'm going to take my ground floor, or probably the first floor, because the roof is going to be up here. And what you need to do is click on the roof, and right now I'm just going to do a rectangle with an overhang of 500, and this rectangle I'm going to do like so. Though the two ends here, again, they do not need no slope, and this one needs to be aligned AL with this side because we have a wall here. Finish edit mode like this, and if I look at it, I have a building in the middle section here now, and we're gonna go ahead and do the last part here. So first floor, I'm gonna pick a rectangle, offset 500, and pick one corner and to the other corner like that. Again, click the two gables, remove define slope, finish edit mode, and if I look at it now, I actually have a building it's kind of neat. This building over here, I need to connect these two roofs, and the way I do that is I go to my modify, I place this one or pick this one, join unjoin roofs, and what it says down here, select the edge of the end of the roof that you wish to join or unjoin. So I'm going to select this edge, and I'm going to select the roof that I want it to join on, and it's going to create it like that. So it cuts it automatically. So to create something really nice now, you could apply some shades like this, and you would actually start to get a really good sense of how this building is going to be. Since this is what you call a project proposal, what you could do is you could click or hold your cursor over one wall, use the tab once, and it selects all the walls that are connected. Then go up and say attach to roof like this, and once you remove it, it actually connects the walls to the underside of the roof. It's a neat feature. What I want you to do then is to do the same on this side, like that, and attach to the roof like that. And you could actually do the same with this one, attach to like that, and it shuts it up. And do the same thing on the opposite side like that. And now you really have a house that's starting to look like something that you really could use for something. I could choose the walls down here and do exactly the same thing, or I could say the height that I wanted them to do. But right now I'm just gonna click that wall. Now you know something better. It's actually to figure out what the height is and then make them go up to it. So if I look in elevations east and use wireframe WF, I can see that my deck's here and my other deck or ground slab is there. So if I take a measurement, I can say from there to there, I have a height of 2500. I'm going to go to my basement. I'm just going to pick these walls like so. And I need to connect those and say that instead of up to level top constraint, I'm going to say unconnected. I'm going to say 2500 like that. Escape, and I'm going to join these two walls and see in 3D now. And you now have the walls that go the correct or have the correct height. What I want to do now, we have a wall here that needs to be connected to the underside of that one too, like that. And there you go. You now have, the only thing you're missing is you need to place your insulation here and insulation here. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do in the next video. I hope you could use this video, and thanks for watching.